Hello my dear knowledge channel. Today I came to tell you 13 of the expense of the rich which they strongly avoid. If you want to know these features, be sure to stay with me until the end, and if you like, please subscribe. Well. Without wasting time, I get to the point. The first is expensive makeup. Most successful and wealthy people rarely use expensive makeup. Just when they go to party and like that places that they use from expensive makeups. The second is multiple credit cards. The successful men they are try to have at least two bank cards and at most three bank cards because they know they can do their job with them too. The third is unhealthy food. Most successful people rarely eat unhealthy food, and when they eat, they prepare it at home. The fourth is expensive houses. They are not very dependent on fashion, and just they focus on their happiness. The fifth is expensive toys for their children for play, because they never ever buy that. The sixth is personal eductions. The reason for this it is that why they, they want to their children live and grow in social environment. The seventh is production and magic. It's very important. And the eighth is high cost of interior design. It's like case 4, but with the difference that is inside the home, but in the previous case it was the whole home. I hope you are not tired. Let's go see a short film and come back. Well, we continue the video with all full energy. Okay, 9 is extra lesson for children. It's easy. The 10 is video game and TV channels. We all know that's not just about the phone and TV. And we know they are a sensitive issue too. Bill Gates, the world's third millionaire, for example, doesn't buy a phone for his children until when he was 16 years old. The 11 is the latest example of popular device. It means that the moment of unveiling of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, they don't buy, and they've been fit, and they are thankful for what they have. It's very important. Read it again. And keep in mind that you shouldn't take many risks and invest in a field without knowledge and expertise. And as I said in previous videos, successful people are buying gold and dollars and real estate and investing. The guys in this video had a general information aspect, but I hope you can emulate this feature for yourself. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the side ringtone and entrust you to the great God. Goodbye till another video. Bye my dear friends.